Discover how the Penis Bible works to increase penis size naturally. You're not going to believe this. Watch this video to the very end. Did you know the average penis length is 6.5 inches? Are you that size? If it is, are you happy being average? 82% of women say they wish their partner had a bigger penis, proving size really does matter. 96.3% of women who are in a relationship with a man they describe as the best lover I've ever had never consider cheating on the partner. 83% of women consider that sex is the main reason for cheating on their spouse. On average, a man ejaculates 2-3 minutes after entering his partner. It takes a woman on average 12-14 minutes to orgasm. Over 46% of women in America have cheated on a partner who they claimed to love. Over 96% of women admit to having faked an orgasm. Does that make you uncomfortable? Unless you're 100% certain she's reaching orgasm, it should make you worried. Impotence and erectile dysfunction affects 76% of men in their lifetime. Imagine in just 2 months from now you can have a longer and fuller penis and the big man confidence to back it up. Add 2-4 to your penis, the most comprehensive penis enlargement guide available. Add up to 4 inches in length and up to 1 inch in girth in just 2 months regardless of your age or race. Easy 2-step method. Our method works on a principle where biochemicals react with receptors in the penis which were put there so that during puberty your penis would grow. The second step is making the enlargement happen faster by using unique exercises. Biology-based growth. In puberty, penis growth is caused by a set of biochemicals and nutrients. Our guide trains you to kickstart your body into restarting this natural process by using low-cost natural supplements and training. Over 5,000 copies sold. 5,000 plus users can't be wrong. Our system really does work, unlike the countless scams and overnight enlargement sales pitches out there. Real growth takes time, but it can and will happen if you follow the methods used in the Penis Enlargement Bible. Increased stamina and sex drive. In addition to making your member bigger, the methods used in the Penis Bible actually have other positive side effects, such as increased stamina during sex, increased libido and the rock-hard erections. 95% of customers satisfied. In my 5+ years of selling this product online, I have seen an overall satisfaction rate of 95% or higher. If you aren't completely satisfied with the product, you can request a refund within 60 days. No questions asked. Safe and effective growth. Our techniques are safe with no known dangers. Some doctors have even been known to recommend some of our techniques to their male patients. Be warned that growth is not reversible. Only use these techniques if you want big results. Warning: this program is only for men who are serious about enlarging their penis.